Aren't you tired of juggling between your Apple TV remote and your iPhone? Does your Siri Remote keep getting itself lost in unusual places? Then here's how to control your Apple TV without the remote by using your iPhone with the built-in remote feature. So, to use your iPhone as your Apple TV's remote, first of all, make sure that you have connected to the same Wi-Fi that you're using on your Apple TV. After this, from the control panel, you'll need to open the remote app. And in case you don't see it here, then you'll need to add it to your control center. On the latest iOS, you can just tap on the plus icon, then add a control. Now search for remote, click on it to add it to your control center. Now just tap on the remote. And as they're on the same network, you'll see your Apple TV pop up. Just tap on it, and for the first time, you'll need to enter a 4-digit code to connect. And voila! Now you have this touchpad like your Apple TV remote. Tapping on it will work as the OK button. And down here you have the back button, the play pause button, and the Apple TV or control center button. And at the top you have the power button, using which you'll be able to turn off or turn on your Apple TV. And the great thing about this remote is, you will also be able to use Siri on your Apple TV. Just press and hold the power button, and you'll see Siri pop up on your Apple TV. Now you just need to speak away. And that's all there is to it.